What's up, YouTube? Don with the Don Fraud Show here. And today I want to make a quick video talking about Apple. We've been bullish Apple. If you've been following me for a while, you know we've been in Apple for the ride. We've taken advantage of it. Today, well, let me explain. I'm actually about to close my position, and I've already scaled out a little bit. I might scale out a little bit more, but I'm looking for the pullback tomorrow. So that's what I'm going to talk about. Today, we had this candle right here, right? This is the hourly chart. We had this massive push up, and we've just stayed inside the past 3 days. And I told the mentor group, I've even told you guys here on YouTube. If you're new to my channel, I go live on Sundays and Wednesdays. I talk about what I'm in, what I want to see in the future, and then I break stuff down for the people in let me try that again, in the chat, in the live chat. And I really wanted it to break out. I was in Apple. Just going to ride it out. I was going to be bearish below, bullish above. We got the break today, so I actually added on. I just scaled out a little bit already, so I like that it's pushing up. I might sell a little bit more. It's been an alright day. I'll put it that way. It's been a very alright day. Man. Might keep it going. By the end of today, I'm going to scale out a tad bit more because tomorrow's their dividend payment. Now, historically, if you actually look at stocks on the day of the dividend, you usually see some red days. So it kind of just lines up with we had a strong push up, dividend pays out, stock sells off a little bit, and I buy the dip. I don't want to completely sell off. What I'm actually aiming to do here is, I call it the icing on the cake play, right? It pushes up. We're looking for any kind of pullback. Getting into anything cheaper than what I've already got, it's just free money. I plan on still being in it. I'm still bullish on this, but if I don't have to ride it from here to here, I can actually sell it, get back in here, anywhere in here. It was just extra money. Again, icing on the cake. A little extra on the top. So that's what I'm looking for. Kind of FOMOing my way into this right now, as a matter of fact. We're still trending up. Yeah, I'm going to ride this trend out the rest of the day. Ultimately, once that 15-minute does turn around, I think that's when I'll go ahead and lock in a little bit more. So right now, I'm going to keep that intraday trend alive and rolling, rocking and rolling. As long as we keep this alive, I will still be in it. I've already locked in some. Now the reason why this zone is orange, it's 445 to 450. That was just a psychological level. We did bounce on it a couple times. I was more just focused on here. We did break out, come back in. So ultimately, I think bigger picture, that was the resistance. We came back just to test it. That was enough that we are actually going to zone that out a little bit. So we are full blown. Actually, we're going to delete that. Now, when things go to all-time highs, I like to zone things out as they break. Again, this blue line here, that is the split. We're going to delete that. Not really worry about there. We can actually get rid of that now. No need to worry about that. So right now I'm going to focus on right here. Now if we build any other zones out, I will I'll add those on, but for right now, those are the two I'm watching. Should we see a decent pullback that might lead any further, I'll have the next one on the radar. Right now, nothing. Hourly trend is up. Everything's looking good. But tomorrow, I do kind of anticipate a pullback. Not enough to go short. Not even enough to even completely sell my position. Ultimately, that's why I want to just scale out. Hopefully, catch a little bit on that pullback. And that's the whole premise of this video. Is that tomorrow is the earnings day, earnings dividend day, and that's when they typically look at any other ticker you're in. Look at it on the dividends payout day and see how often it's red. See how often there's a little pullback in there. So that's what I'm trying to take advantage of. At any point I get in at anything cheaper than what I sold it for, then we're good. So any pullback, picture perfect though, we pull back and test this zone and we can load up on it. So that's it, guys. Wanted to just bring you my quick opinion on Apple because it has such a rocking day. We finally broke out of that area, right? It's been staying inside there. I haven't been bullish or bearish. We've been waiting for the break. We've waited for the trade to come to us. We got the break today. I added on. It's been very profitable. And now it's time to manage it. It's never a set and forget. It's a set and manage. We finally now have the opportunity. I will go ahead and save that. So if you've clicked the join button somewhere down below, you have access to my charts. That link is posted in the community tab. It brings up Trading View, and you just type in the ticker. And if I have a drawing on there, you get to see it. I do think you have to save it as a playlist. If you're curious how that works, hop in. I have a free chat, and the instructions are in there on how to actually make it all work. Should be fairly simple. So other than that, guys, I will short, sweet, to the point. I'll keep it here. I will see you guys in the next video. Again, I do go live Sundays and Wednesdays to break things down for you guys. I'm going to start doing educational stuff on Saturdays. Just let me know in the comments down below what you think. You can comment on Apple, how you think you're going to play that. But also I want to hear what are some educational stuff. If I can make a quick video explaining something on Saturdays, what do you want to hear about? And I will see you in the next video.